Building a dynamic product list with HTML, CSS, and jQuery. First things first, let's set up our HTML structure. We've got the basic skeleton of our web page with the doc-type declaration, meta tags, and a title. We've also linked our CSS file and included the jQuery library. Moving on to the CSS, we've styled our page to make it look clean and polished. We've set the font family, background color, and margins to give it a professional appearance. The table is styled with a nice shadow effect and rounded corners for a modern touch. Now, here comes the fun part, jQuery. We've made an AJAX request to fetch data from a JSON API. In this case, we're using the JSON placeholder API to retrieve some sample product data. Once we get the data, we loop through each product and dynamically generate table rows with their ID, title, and a randomly generated price, and there you have it. With just a few lines of code, we've created a dynamic product list that fetches data from an API and displays it beautifully on our web page.